What's up, guys? Dennis here with Stick Mobility. Special guest Ray. And Ray, we're going to show you guys how Ray gets prepped for doing some overhead presses. So Ray is set up in a wide stance, a little wider than hip width base. He's got his sticks at 11 and 1. Bottoms of the sticks are angled towards him. Hands are shoulder level. What he's going to do is he's going to start to go into his hinge pattern. He's going to push those hips straight back, and he's going to extend those arms straight out, lengthening the torso. He's then at this position, when he's at his end range, he is then going to bring tension to strengthen that end range of motion, and he's going to actively push those sticks into the floor at a 60 to 70% perceived exertion. He's going to hold that for 6 seconds. He's then going to relax, and then he's going to repeat again, keeping those arms fully extending, driving that chest down, and pushing those sticks straight down into the ground. He's going to hold that for 6 seconds again, and then he's going to slowly start to come back up out of it. Good. Excellent. Once he's done with that, he's going to come over here, and he's going to actually prep that overhead move. So we have the pro stick here. So we're going to bring that under the safety guards. Ray's going to set up into his typical overhead press stance. He's then going to take the stick and he's going to start to push up, drive up. We have to have a solid base core here as he's pushing up. You can see the flex of the stick, and you can see the posterior and anterior tissues working as he goes up into that overhead press. He's going to hold that for 6 seconds, ease off. Good. And then he's going to engage again. Driving those hands up, creating that flex in that stick, getting the central nervous system and all the tissues prepped and ready. As you can see, the feet are going to be driving into the floor also, so he's going to get that foot to core integration. And relax. So he does that for a couple reps, holding that 6 to 10 seconds per repetition. So now that Ray has prepped the bottom part of the motion, he's going to take a step back. He's then going to extend the arms up, placing the stick underneath the top of the rack, and he's going to drive up and extend those arms straight up into the stick, finishing and strengthening that end range of motion through that press, holding that for 6 to 10 seconds, then easing off. And then again, one last rep, driving up. You can see the flex of the stick, breathing, bracing, and relax. Stick mobility, movement made better.